Okay, here we go again, mga bossing. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. We're going to unbox Kagaya Ubuyashiki. We're going to unbox Kagaya Ubuyashiki. We all know that he's the 97 leader of the Demon Slayer Corps. And we got the Banpresto series of these Demon Slayer characters. And let's go unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go. So let's take it out from the box. Okay, so this is sale outside Japan only. So sometimes I wonder if there's any difference of probably the figure's still the same, I don't know, but maybe they remove most of the information here in Japanese, but we still got a lot of information here, I guess. And they don't have those name of character, like the sculptor or designer of this figure. In this I found this really, the way it shows in the picture, like almost same looks in the anime series, so find it really cool, find it nice. So we got some information on their Instagram and WeChat. Okay, so let's take it out. So empty. And here we go. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy, and I'm glad they put it in one full body. And of course the head is always different materials, so they make it in like different parts of the figure, so you need to still put them together, right? So let's start with the plain stand here, nothing really fancy. And the body, I like the colorway of this one. Always, what I really love in this anime is the choice of colors. And how they combine it, right? That's really cool in every characters. I'm not sure if you can call that pastel color, like a neon pastel, kind of. So that's really cool, like really unique in compared to other anime. So look at that. I love the sculpt on here and the paint work on this one. So they show the anime characters. Okay, so let's just put it in. So just follow it. Nice and tight. Here you go. Very cool. Okay, which one is the front? But this one looks good because there's a dent there, so let's do it this way. And to spray it out a little bit. There you go. That was so nice, right? Pretty cool. Look at that face. Okay, pretty short and nice and sweet. here you go, guys. Another Demon Slayer figure. This time, the 97th leader of the Demon Slayer Corps. I hope you guys like it. I think this is really a good addition to line up on your display shelves. All the Demon Slayer characters that you really need to include, right? So there you go. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you have any Demon Slayer or any figure that you want me to unbox, just let me know. Just comment down below and we'll try our best to show it to you guys before you buy it. So if you're kind of finicky. Okay, so once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. Of course, peace out. Boom!